So here's a cleaning tip for bamboo owners. You ever printing something around and it's kind of not as smooth as it used to be? Well, here's how you clean it and get that roundness back. And this is according to the wiki. You get yourself some isopropyl alcohol and a nice, relatively clean rag. Should be cleaner than this, but you get the idea. Non-lint. And you soak the carbon rods. And then soak, and then go back and forth. This is 3 to 5 times. And then you dry them off. And then you repeat this process 3 to 5 times. Now if you use a clean white cloth, you do this until everything seems really clean. But what will happen is you will feel it free up. Because over time, these carbon rods do let off a little bit of surface, I believe. And the bearings are carbon as well. And so you get a little buildup in there. And let me say, I didn't think this would work as well as it did, but it made a big difference in a couple of my prints. Now, I ran this machine for well over 6 months before I cleaned it. So it's not something you have to do right away, but it does help a lot. Now I'm operating from the back of the machine, so I'm spraying forward away from any electronics. And you don't want to spray directly on here, obviously. You want to spray right on the rods, move it over, spray on the rods, and go back and forth. Now this is in the wiki, but if you're like me, that whole reading thing, it's like reading instructions. It's hard to do, but I broke down and read it for you. So if you have a bamboo and roundness isn't as smooth as it used to be, try this. I'll bet you it'll free it up. And you get a lot of extra alcohol on your bed to clean it.